people say gold is that keeps you on your toes. And woe to the man who can't understand power is in the people's hand. So if the people say it's a draw, you can't act like you win the war. What you think they go say must guide you every day, or brother man, you go lose your way. So you think they go say mortgage trouble, while you give a walk to Hazel. You think they go feel 2 salaries is to pay for the kids' studies. You think they go say real fishy to Kishia ministry. You think they used to say on the last party, get jobs to the family. But when Hazel get walk, I blink. You think Christmas Eve, I rejoice. I heard when they made the choice. I sang a soca, the time was proper to show the statesman you are. But in 2 days I changed my tune. You blow like the Indian monsoon. What you did was obscene. You kick from that's the deal. You forget it's 1818. You 18, they go say is wasting money to have 29 ministry. You 18, they go feel is a small ball. Fatten up till election call. You 18, they go say they don't get your trip when you give them attendance gift. You 18. You empty. They say you know that you feel your fate, 'cause you're doing what Lenny said. Maybe he's the weakest link, boss. You empty. Ba 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 da. The people getting fed up with who moral and who corrupt. It have fed to go and pan and calypso, and you're threatening to spoil the show. You get picked, you think you could have buy the fella a drink, but your band start to laugh, then you fire his staff, but the man still controlling half. You think they go say they're going to meet, 'cause you're laughing at their defeat. You think they go feel they get more votes, so why the hell you must want to gloat? You think they have rights within this land, and it's you to reach out your hand. You think as they saying was divine providence that Robbie gave you preference, but you so want to make them sick that you think. Waiting to hear reform parliament or share the government or treat the other side with contempt. The people who with you today could just turn around and walk away, but we hoping that you will start thinking things true, cause the future depends on you. You waiting, they go say you are acting dread, like if the power gone to your head. You waiting, they go feel it would be nice if you would take a little advice. You waiting to yourself if you get on so.